Alright, so welcome back. Thanks for tuning in to another video. So today's video is going to be the 7-day update since I applied Ironite to my lawn. I want to see if you guys see a difference between the before and after, and if you guys are interested in applying Ironite. Have you guys seen any results? Have you guys used Ironite? So we're going to go over that right now, so stay tuned. Alright, so let's take a walk. Let me give you an update, a 7-day update of me applying Ironite. So this is how the yard looks after applying Ironite. Look at that. I just cut it, striped it up once again. So everything looks like the when I originally applied the Ironite. And this is around 3 p.m. So this is in the peak hours of the day with the sun reflecting right off the grass. So this is no camera tricks or anything of that nature. This is what the actual camera is just picking up off the grass here. So as you can see, a nice sunny day. We're about 86 degrees, and this is how the yard is looking. So what do you guys think? I think it looks good. I like Ironite. Well, I love Ironite. This is one of the best green ups that you're gonna get from a big box store. It has 20% iron in the bag. I think that is like the most that you're gonna find in a big box store. So if this is something you're interested in applying to your yard now, this is a great summer fertilizer, because you can apply this fertilizer in between other fertilizer applications, because it is a supplement fertilizer, or you could apply it alone. So it's up to you guys. This is side number 1 here. Like I said, no camera tricks or anything of that nature. This is what the camera's picking up. So take a look at that. I'm gonna give you a street view. So this is how the yard looks on the street when people ride by, and I think it looks good. I actually had one of my neighbors stop. He told me he was jealous of the way my yard was looking, yeah, and I need to come help him. So so you know, it helps when people compliment you on your hard work. That means you're doing something right here. This is another street view on side number 2. Can't really pick up the stripes from this angle, but you can kind of see that they're there. But the sun is reflecting down, so it's all about how the sun is reflecting and how you're angling it to pick up the stripes. So, but like I said, this is a 7-day green up. It's 3 p.m. about 86 degrees, I want to say. So this is the peak hours of the day, and this is how my yard is looking. And we get a close-up. The yard is very, very thick, nice and thick. And like I said, you can apply Ironite in between other fertilizer applications, because it is a supplement fertilizer. So say if your favorite fertilizer that you use don't have enough iron in it, maybe most fertilizers probably carry maybe 1 to 2% iron, except Milorganite. I think Milorganite is the other one that carries about 3%, I want to say. Something of that nature. But you can go ahead and actually apply Ironite also, maybe after fertilizing. You could use your main fertilizer, then come back and apply the Ironite fertilizer right over top of it, and that'll give you 20% iron. So it's going to give you that nice green pop that you like. And like I said, I think that's the most that you can find in a big box store. So if that's something you're interested in, you can go ahead and pick it up. But I wanted to show you guys an update of how my yard is looking. As you see, the sun had went down for a little bit, so when the sun is not beaming on it, you're gonna see it's gonna look even darker, because the sun is gonna reflect off the camera. So, but when the sun goes down a little bit and it gives you them evening hours, the yard is gonna look even greener. So, but I wanted to show you guys. I'll probably come out in the evening and show you guys how it looks also. So it'll give you like a sun view and a sundown view. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit me with a like, subscribe to the channel. That's a big help. That helps keep me in algorithm, keep me posting my videos, so keep people viewing. So you know, that's a big help. But if I helped you guys, I hope I helped you guys. And if you guys are interested in Ironite, I would definitely recommend it if it's something that you need right away. But it's gonna take at least 7 days to actually green up. So that's the only downside of using Ironite granular fertilizer, because it is going to take about 7 days to green up. Now we got over this course of the 7 days since I applied it, we got a lot of rain, so it's been watered in very nice. But like I said, that's the only downside. So if you need something right away to green up your yard, the best bet is to go with a liquid iron or something like that. That's gonna give you a nice green pop a lot quicker. But depending on the percentage of the iron inside that product, it's not gonna probably give you as dark of a green if it's not carrying at least what, 5 to 10%. Ironite, like I said, is carrying 20% iron in the bag, and a 1-0-1 formula. So 1% nitrogen, 0 phosphorus, 1% potash. So it's a nice add-on addition to your current fertilizer program. So if you're using a different fertilizer, you can go ahead and use Ironite right in the mix with it. It won't hurt you. All it's going to do is help. Just to make sure you don't apply it too often. Maybe about 6 times a year, Ironite, maybe, because you don't want to apply too much iron, because then that become a bad thing for your grass. And too much iron can turn your grass, start making it look like that grayish look. So I just wanted to put all of that in there, give you guys the ups and the downs. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, like I said, and hit me with a like, subscribe to the channel if you want to follow the journey, and stay tuned. Take care. Alright, so as you guys can see, whether the sun is up or the sun is down, that is a dark green lawn, period. That Ironite is no joke. I love using that Ironite for my summer fertilizer because it's going to give me the right green pop that I'm looking for without the growth. Like I said, it's a 1-0-1 formula and 20% iron. That's probably the best green up you're going to get out of a big box store fertilizer. Anything else, you're going to have to probably order it online, wait a couple days for it to come in, and you know, pretty much there are other green ups. Like if you need something quicker, then you always go with a liquid. But this is probably the best green up that you're going to get out of a granular fertilizer that you can grab right in the store today, tomorrow, whenever you're ready to use it. So you guys let me know what you guys think. I like the fertilizer myself, and I'm going to continue to use it, but I want to hear from you guys. I appreciate you guys if you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more content, and leave it in the comment section whether you guys see the difference between the 7 days before I used the Ironite and the 7 days after. You guys can check out all the videos and you tell me yourself. So, and also let me know if you had great results with Ironite yourself. So this is it for this video. Enjoy. Hope you guys are staying safe and take care.